How Elon Musk reduced the cost to build Tesla. Introduction. Elon Musk didn't just build Tesla to make electric cars, he built it to revolutionize how cars are made. Unlike traditional automakers who depend heavily on third-party suppliers and outdated systems, Musk introduced bold, often risky, cost-cutting innovations. Here's how he managed to reduce the cost of building Tesla vehicles while maintaining quality and innovation. 1. Vertical integration. Cutting out the middleman. Most car companies outsource the majority of their components, from batteries to infotainment systems. But Musk took a radically different approach. Tesla makes its own batteries, software, chips, and even seats. By keeping production in-house, Tesla avoids supplier markups and gains better control over quality and speed. This also means faster innovation. Tesla doesn't wait for suppliers to catch up. 2. Gigafactories. Economies of scale. Musk's idea of gigafactories is simple. The more you make, the cheaper each unit becomes. These massive factories are designed to produce cars and batteries under one roof. Tesla uses automation, robotics, and AI-powered systems to reduce human error and labor costs. With each new gigafactory, Shanghai, Berlin, Texas, costs drop further thanks to localized production and logistics savings. 3. The unboxed manufacturing process. Tesla builds sections of the vehicle separately and then snaps them together like Lego. In 2023, Musk revealed a game-changing production method called the unboxed process. Instead of assembling a car piece by piece on a moving line, this shortens the assembly line, reduces factory space, and speeds up production. Fewer robots, fewer workers, lower cost. 4. Single-piece Giga casting. Traditional cars use hundreds of welded metal parts in their underbody. Tesla changed that. They use a giant machine, Giga press, to make a single-piece cast of the front and rear chassis. This replaces 70 parts with one strong, light component. Fewer parts equals fewer suppliers, fewer robots, and less time, saving millions per model. 5. Battery innovation. From cell to pack. Tesla redesigned how batteries are structured with their 4,680 cell and structural battery pack. Instead of placing the battery into the car, the battery becomes part of the car's structure. This reduces the weight and materials needed. It saves cost on both battery manufacturing and car design. 6. Software-centric approach. Tesla cars run on custom software built in-house. No need to license third-party software like Google Maps or Android Auto. Over-the-air updates reduce the need for costly service centers. Tesla slashed production costs while pushing the auto industry decades forward. Tesla even sells software features like full self-driving to generate recurring revenue. Conclusion. Elon Musk didn't cut corners, he cut inefficiencies. Through vertical integration, gigafactories, innovative manufacturing processes like Giga casting and the unboxed method, and smart battery and software design, that's not just cost-cutting, it's revolutionary engineering.